Yeah, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie at first. Jah Rastafari. And I see, yeah, welcome to all new subscriber. Continue, share, like, and subscribe. Enough respect, can you make the thing possible? See, now I address a local issue to East Kingston, Rockfort. I want you to bear with me and you don't know have some, and you don't know. You know, see, yeah, Jamaica Cement Company. You know, see, here's a guy who I want to address because I observe say right throughout my lifetime, through growing up around you know, me not see you do nothing after no farmer contribution. I can't hear about you after no farmer contribution to East Kingston in general. You get what I say? And the environment. You know, see, me first see about the half the hillside, the mountain where you take down. You know, see, they're coming from the airport and from the front part on the main road, you can see it like the mountain exists, but nothing is behind it. I don't know how a hurricane or a storm don't blow down that piece of hill already. You understand? Me I wonder who or how you explain that environmental damage to the community, who you compensate. You understand me I say who benefit and all which side of the society. If you pay the government, if you buy it from the government, well, we don't know because that are going on for centuries, decades now. You just eat down one big side of a hill, of a mountain. And that look like you do it for free. You know, see, because one, the powerful people out of the Bossy side of Harbour View, me know so for a period they did have a program go on where you give them some level of compensation for dust damage and things like that. But that essentially is to the east of you. You understand what I say? Well, the breeze no blow to the west of you as well, which is the wider, bigger community of Rockfort, Kingston, Kirk, Mountain View, Backbush, and all of them places there. You understand what I say? Obviously, your dust, your calcium, your iron, and your aluminum will mix up the chemical, the mix where you have to mix. You know, supposedly control the circumstances, environment. You know, we don't know, it must have gotten out in the atmosphere somewhere because right you know, when you check the medical record down at Bellevue, Rockfort have the highest number of mental illness in Jamaica. You get to me and say, and you with the right that's so with calcium. So I wonder if you take any sort of, if you are spend the right money, seeing to protect the people them from this exposure. You know, see it, or you just let it go in the ear because you don't know there's no consequences in Jamaica for anything, especially things that the people them don't know for complain about. You know, see it when I say, so consider this a formal complaint or an inquiry at the beginning of one of such. Because look at me, I've got to make some recommendation to the International Environmental Authority them. You know, see it, because I don't see who contribute but nothing to the school them. Nothing to the clinic them, nothing to the hospital them, nothing to nothing. Me soon build one football field when me a youth. I want to ban every youth from play over there. You not organize no farmer, nothing. Cement company not do. Me I tell you that. Me a living example. I'm making more brutal. The guys I'm bringing in some people in other way just decide for hire people when I come from Rockfort. When I come from the area them where I get damaged by the calcium, so allegedly or questionably, the calcium was supposedly come out because the main medical effect will affect the area surrounding the cement company, is a symptom of calcium exposure. You understand what I say? Rockfort have the highest number of mental illness in Jamaica. Me not ask that so cement company want know what go on. The least amount of employee we have in a cement company on a full-time permanent basis is from Rockfort, East Kingston. Why? It's because you know so them liable to go mad any day upon you. Because of calcium exposure. We don't understand what go on and I am very concerned. You know see, because again, probably this is why. Because you have some brutal attitude towards the youth them from Rockfort and East Kingston, the youth them surrounding your company as well. You know, see, when it comes to employment, when it comes to contracts and contractors Then you hire men from all over Jamaica, barring Rockfort. And you have a lot of aspiring contractors in Rockfort. You have a lot of youths in Rockfort who have potential and credits and finance. We could have run some of them contractor because all of the man them where you bring coming a cement company is no expert in no particular field. You understand? All of them work under the instruction at the said cement company. You understand? Some of them understand what I go on. You get me? Yeah. So that's something where it's just a we not ask you to look into that no more, you know, because we have done that for years, decades. You know, see, we are looking into it, you know, and we are use every avenue where we can for look into what go on. You know, see, if you are there around me with your knives and your dust and things like that, and it not benefit we and our future and our youth, then we are grow come up. Rasta, we are going to know what go on, you know, we want to know. And this next thing, you have a thing where around the corner named ethanol again. For years I grew up and I smell that chemical. I mean, me don't know where it for, we don't know nothing about it. You know, see, me I do a different argument about it in particular. You know, see it, because we are come at know. You know, see it, we don't know why we don't have some youth out of at least 1, 2 Rockfort contractor in the world can say employ some laborer then out of Rockfort then, in particular Rockfort alone, and then you don't do no one do with the rest. Rather than that, you don't have police out there. I treat the youth them like say, I know hungry and I look at bread at 9 to 5. You know see it? Most youth come out there and them get dry in a room and handcuff and screen. Them have to give details and things like that. You get what I say? Interrogation from law enforcement. When they might expect at least an interview from a contractor. You know see it? You know have the thing twisted and back way when it come on to Rockfort youth, man, and really and truly. As you don't know me, me's a man on a daily do no stupidity, you know, me's a man daily different. So I don't know from if anyone I want to manage to see this or hear this, you don't know what time of day it is. You know see it. You know see it. Go ask Castro, man. Go ask the big tall man there. I can't remember what his name, man. You know see it. Castro was a good man. You know see it. Because first thing them put Castro out there as a stoppage in a Rockfort youth way. So that's the Rockfort youth can't eat no food. But Castro was reasonable to a degree to the best of my ability. I'm not going to tell you like Castro was a GLP. And then put him there in the midst of the PNP them to oppress them. You know see it. And without fear or favor. Because him not look like he's a man afraid of nobody really. You know see it. Them put a just man out there really. But me not, right here now, even though it was just, it wasn't just enough. For the youth them, me I say, him could have been a lot worse. Basically, at that, me I say, given the role that he was employed to play, he could have been a lot worse. You know, see, big respect to Mr. Castro still. You know, see, but yeah, the calcium compound, we don't know if I go to China and buy some cheap calcium from to where them just know say, it good enough for Jamaicans use. You know, see, just like you have a couple so-called vaccine when it's good enough for use in Europe or America, but it's alright for use in Africa and India and places like these. You understand? I don't know if I chew the people them do when you have too much melanin in your skin, you go that can deal with them type of vaccine. They must that. You understand what I say? Well, I see me they will consider so well a certain chemical when it's good for using for them society is alright for using an hour and an hour. You know? And it's not even Jamaican that run the cement company no more. As far as what I understand, it's a foreign company. You know, say, not contributing back anything to the local community or the local society in general. Because we got no matter what one, no private company should have owned that cement company. Because again, at the mountain it I dig down for free. You know, see it. Who it buy Long Mountain from? Who it buy Warwick Isle from? Who it buy it from? First when me concerned that place is a crown land. You know see? So I don't understand who a benefit. One of the send money come give the queen I get fair 3/4. Because again, as she have the raw material if so be the case. You know see it? So anybody who own that piece of land supposed to get the vast majority of the profit. You know see it? So be a freeness I go on and bandwagonist, and you know me I say the people who suffer from it now get nothing out of it. Check the level when me I talk about people. And anybody when know anything about the chemical, ethanol, the compound them and how it affect people, we smell it. You just give me a little link or something like that where I can go get some more research on it. You get what I say about Jamaica Cement Company. I'm coming at you because the youth them need for them. Them need work. I want to know. More bless. Share, like, and subscribe. Rastafari.